So at a recent conversation with a seller, they were considering doing a outside addition to an upgrade to their patio area. And it was going to be rather expensive, and they wondered if it would make sense. The point that I put with them was, if you're putting money into your exterior in an area where the nature and the outside is so important, and one of the main reasons why people come up here, I think that it makes sense. It is definitely an expensive experience to go through and do a new paver patio or a brand new deck or a fire pit area. However, it really adds unique features and benefit to the outside of the home, which is the reason people are here, because they want to be in nature, they want to be outside, and they want to take advantage of the beauty that we have here in Lewiston. So if you've been considering doing an outside landscaping or an outside upgrade to your home, then consider it, because they do add a lot of value and they showcase our amazing Northern Michigan.